Hello, my name is Danny Arguelles, and I'm here today with Artesanos Inc. We're going to show you installation using the universal hybrid pan tile system. Here we have a traditional handmade barrel tile manufactured by Artesanos. We have an Italian pan tile for starters. We have the universal pan tile by Conservation Energy Roofing Systems, and we have a polystyrene by Conservation Energy Roofing Systems. We're going to be using an adhesive set polyfoam application using the ProPack 30, our underlayments here on our setup, we're using a self-adhering polystick TU Plus, and we're going to illustrate to you that this can be installed as a retrofit application over shingles. We have 3-tab shingles here installed on a third of the board. Alex is putting a beader ribbon on the back of the Italian clay starter. We're going to wait till it expands a little bit. He's going to install it over the polystick TU Plus. And now we're going to apply a ribbon of polyfoam on the back of the universal pan tile. Now we're going to go ahead and install the next row where we have the roof marked off at 12.5-inch spacing. So Alex, go ahead and install the next one. Now we're going to take each one of the handmade cover tiles and we're going to spray a bead of polyfoam on each side. Or we're going to lay them continuously. Okay, we have a couple of rows complete. And as you can see, we have the Italian pan starter, we have the cover tile, and we have the universal pan tile system. By doing a system like this, we have a system that has an incredible attachment resistance. It weighs half of what a barrel tile would, and it's actually less pieces than a S-tile system that's made to look like this. Because of the continuity of the universal pan system, we now can place PV modules without having to penetrate the deck in a vertical array. We're going to use a bracket system that fits exactly into the universal pan tile system in order to achieve this. And here we have an example of the PV module installed in a rack system over the universal pan tile without penetrations. The next rendition is the use of PV film over the universal pan tile to create a simulated look of tiles overlapping each other. This can also be done with SIGs in a terracotta color. We're going to go ahead and install this in the next row. And here we have the completed hybrid system. We have the PV thin film over the universal pan. We have a rack-mounted system using the crystalline modules. And I'd like to introduce to you the use of vegetated green roofing over the universal pan tile. With these pre-vegetative mats, we can add a new aspect to the design of sloped residential roof applications and commercial. By minimizing stormwater runoff and minimizing the urban heat island effect, there are myriad benefits with green roofing. Roughly 85% of the re-roofing market is asphalt shingles. Here we can use this hybrid system as a retrofittable application over the existing shingles, be able to add the PV and the green roofing as well. We'll also be increasing our thermal mass, making our roof more energy efficient. We will also be able to have the same wind attachment resistance as you have with this system over an existing shingle roof. I'm going to show you how to install this next system using polystyrene. These polystyrene products, we would use these in parallel with the universal pan system. It'll increase our impact resistance and also facilitate the installation, making it very simple to install. Depending on local building codes, you may have to install these universal pans over the existing shingle roof using a mechanical fastening system. Here we have a hex head neoprene self-sealing washer, and we're going to go ahead and bolt these into the front lap end of the universal pan tile. I'm Danny Arguez from Artesanos Inc. This is the Universal Hybrid System. Check us out at artesanos.com.